In the previous video, we saw a program which is used for displaying an image on a 128 x 64 pixels graphic LCD. So in this video, we are going to perform a hands-on on that program. So basically this GLCD6 underscore image display is our whole project, and these are the files that we are using in our program. So in order to build this whole project, or in order to compile this whole program, we have to build this project first. So for building, we have to click on this button. Now as you can see that the whole project is being built, and finally you can see that the build is finished. So now the hex file for this project is generated. Now what we have to do is we have to dump this hex file onto our microcontroller board. So on your screen you can see that this is our LPC2148 microcontroller board, and this is our 128 x 64 pixels graphic LCD. So first of all we need to turn on our board. So we will provide a 9-volt power supply over here. Now once 9-volt power supply is provided, then we have to connect this board with the PC in order to dump the hex file from the PC to this microcontroller board. So we will connect this board using this USB connector. Then after that, we have provided a DP/DT switch over here. So if you press this DP/DT switch, then this red LED will glow, which indicates that the board is in ISP mode now, or in program mode. So in this mode, we will flash our program onto this board, and in order to run the program, we have to unpress this DP/DT switch. Then the green LED glows, which indicates that the board is in run mode, and then our program is executed. So first we have to flash the program onto this microcontroller board. So we will press the DP/DT switch and we will press the reset button. Now the flashing tool that we are using for flashing the hex file is FlashMagick. So first of all, inside this flashing tool, we have to select the microcontroller that we are using. So we are using LPC2148. So we will select that first. Then after that, we have to select the COM port on which our board is connected to the PC. So to check where the COM port is located, you have to go into Device Manager. Then inside Device Manager, there is an option called Ports. So if you expand that option, then you will see that there is an option which says Silicon Labs CP210X USB to UART bridge. So this USB to UART bridge is basically an IC that we are using on our board. So this is basically our board, and our board is connected on COM3. So we have to select COM3 over here. Then after that we have to select the baud rate at which we have to flash the program onto our microcontroller board. So the maximum baud rate that the LPC2148 microcontroller supports is 14400. So you can select either this or any baud rate which is lesser than this. So we will select the maximum baud rate possible. Then we have to set the oscillator frequency of the board, which is 12 MHz. Then we have to browse the location of the hex file. Now this hex file is located in the workspace that you have created. So inside my workspace, my project name is display GLCD6 underscore image underscore display. So I will go into this. Then there is a folder named debug, and inside it our hex file resides. So I will select this hex file and I will click on start. Then when you click on start, then your hex file will be flashed onto your microcontroller board. Now you can see that the flashing is finished, and you can see the finished status over here below. Now that the hex file is flashed onto your microcontroller board, then we will connect our this GLCD with the microcontroller using this 20 pin FRC cable. So first we will connect this board LCD with this microcontroller. Then I will put this board into run mode now. Now I've put this board into run mode. Now as soon as I press this reset button, then the image will be displayed on the graphic LCD. Now as you can see on your screen, that the image is displayed on the graphic LCD as soon as I press the reset button. So in this way we are displaying an image on the graphic LCD using LPC2148 microcontroller.
Now as we performed an hands-on for displaying an image on a 128 x 64 pixels graphic LCD,
Similarly, we have another program by using which we can display an animation on the graphic LCD. So as you can see on your screen, you can see there is an animation that is being performed on the graphic LCD. So you can check out and analyze the code for this program in the download section after this video.